In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom size and print in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set the dimensions you need, design confidently on that canvas, and export the right file for clean, accurate printing. Start on the Canva homepage. Look to the top right and click the Create a Design button. From the drop-down that appears, choose Custom Size. This is where you'll tell Canva exactly how big your project should be. Type in your width and height, then use the Units drop-down to pick what makes sense for your project. Pixels are great for digital graphics, while inches, millimeters, or centimeters are ideal for anything you plan to print. If you already know the final print size, match those measurements here to avoid scaling issues later. Once your dimensions are set, click Create New Design. Canva opens a blank canvas at your custom size. Now design as you normally would, add text, images, shapes, and brand elements. As you place content, keep important text and logos a little away from the edges so they don't risk being trimmed. If your design runs to the edge of the page, extend background colors or images slightly past the edge to allow for bleed. This helps ensure there are no white slivers after trimming. When your design is ready to print, go to the top right again, click Share, and choose Download. Here's how to pick the best file type. For professional printing, select PDF Print. This gives you high-quality output. Make sure to check the box for crop marks and bleed. Crop marks tell the print shop exactly where to trim, and bleed ensures your edge-to-edge color or imagery prints cleanly. If you're printing at home, you can choose PDF Standard for a lighter file or PNG if you need a high-quality image file for a single-page design. Then click Download and let Canva generate your file. Open your downloaded PDF in your browser or in a PDF viewer. Before you print, set the print scale to 100%, not fit to page. Fit to page can shrink or enlarge your artwork, which changes the final size and can throw off alignment. Printing at 100% ensures your design comes out at the exact dimensions you set in Canva. If your printer adds margins automatically, you may see a small white border that's normal for many home printers. That's it. You've created a custom size design in Canva and prepared it properly for printing. Thanks for watching.